welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, this is the Hungry Panda. What we have today is Axor's special edition Joker themed helmet. So let's quickly have a peek inside the box and see what we have. Firstly, we get a clear visor, which is a pinlock visor. This bag comes with some DC branding and Axor branding on the outside. A few silicone packets, let's get rid of them. In flesh, this helmet looks much better as compared to what you can see on the screen. As you see, it has an amazing finesse print of the Joker theme, and it comes with a mercurial visor. You get a few packets inside this helmet. What this packet has is an Axor emblem which you can choose to stick on your bike or on your helmet, and a few blood group stickers and an Axor sticker which you can put up on your helmet, your laptop, anywhere. It comes with this transparent spoiler which goes on the back of the helmet, and the most satisfying part, so this has a mercurial visor, which is an amazing visor to use during the day, but it is recommended to switch to a clear visor when riding in the night. It also comes with sunshades inside, which is again helpful when you're using a clear visor in the day. It comes with DOT and ECE and ISI certification. It has the DC branding and it has a weight of 1600 grams, which is pretty light for a full-size helmet. Now, I have used this helmet for a long trip and it's been a year since I've been using this helmet. So I have a really good review about this helmet. It does well on the aerodynamic part, it conceals the wind really well, and it does turn a few heads when you ride on the road. So I bought this helmet from KAPOOR Motors helmet store in Sion, Kolivada. This store has a lot of variety of helmets. The cost ranges from your basic helmet, which starts from 200 rupees and it goes up till as far as 1 lakh. They have helmets in each segment, right from daily use to touring to hardcore riding to motocross riding. They have a lot of limited edition helmets, like the one we see right now is the Batman limited edition helmet from Axor. Then this one is an SMK motocross helmet which goes really well on any of the adventure touring bikes. You see my Joker up on the shelf, and this is the entire Axor collection that they have. This shop does not stop just at the helmets. They have a wide range of riding accessories, be it riding jackets, riding pants, riding boots. They also have some amazing top boxes like this one, which is a fiber top box by SMK. So make sure you check out their Instagram page and buy your next helmet from this store.